Showdown in Zhejiang's forest. A red-billed blue magpie takes on a venomous snake alone. Its claws, locked tight on the snake's fatal spot. Wild twists, can't break free. Next, its beak strikes the snake's neural center like a scalpel, ending the fight in 20 seconds. This isn't luck. As a smart Corvid, it knows 100 snake movement patterns, skills honed through 50-plus mock hunts. It has anti-venom gear too. Beak tips pierce scales. Leg scales thicker than viper. Fangs no. Fear of counterattacks. A single one clears venomous snakes month